check what we are doing and see our workshop now. Okay. And we just go to the third floor here. We are whole building. This is the second floor for our office area. And on the third floor, let's see what they are doing. Okay, now we are coming to our workshop and what we are doing assembling. Okay, so you can show this around. Here is the material coming to ready to the production. And we have totally big square here now. Here are the coming cases after inspection. And here, some assembling pre-production. And they are doing assembling here.
Girl, yeah, sure you got a man, but the party ain't gon' stop, so let's take it hot.